Caleb the cool camel. Say, Andy, why are you acting like a robot?
Being a robot is easy. You don't have to think. Just follow your program. You're never the weakest link. Being human is hard. So many choices to make. So many different voices telling us which road to take.
You're right, bro. Being a person means choosing what to do.
How do you find the right way? How do you listen to what's best? How do you follow good advice and ignore all the rest?
Well, they're great questions, and today's assembly should help answer them. Now, return behind the screen while I look for my feathered friends, the talking parrots. I want them to be the backing group in our song.
Hi, Sparky. I didn't see you tweeting this morning.
Oh, I'm still on Twitter. I've been tweeting all morning.
No, I meant singing with the dawn chorus.
Hey, I've lost my singing voice.
You sound awful. What's the matter? Are you ill?
Yeah, but I don't want the school to know.
Okay. Don't tell school, but you can tell me. Smoking? You've been smoking?
Yeah, but they made me do it. They called me a chicken.
You're not a chicken, you're a parrot. Did you like it?
Like it? It was awful. My tongue is sore and I feel as sick as a parrot.
Like I said, you are a parrot. So have you stopped now?
No, I've got to go on practicing till I don't feel sick anymore.
School, did you hear that? I don't believe this.
They didn't tell me it would burn my tongue though.
Right, they said it was cool, yeah?
Yeah, and it tastes terrible.
Use your head. Everyone knows that smoking is bad for your health.
Yeah, Edgar the Ostrich. He read that smoking is bad for your heart and your lungs.
So what did he do?
He gave up reading.
Oh, Sparky! You need new friends you can trust. Friends who want the best for you.
I didn't realise how dangerous it is. I just wanted to look cool.
Don't be a bird brain. Think for yourself. Are you gonna keep on smoking?
I suppose I don't want to cough all my life.
So what are you going to do when they call you names and make fun of you?
I hate being called names.
You have to be grown up enough to stand up for yourself.
I guess you're right.
Of course I'm right. Let's ask the children. Children? Should Sparky listen to my advice and stop smoking?
Oh, yeah, sorry. I won't do it again.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I've decided. I'm never going to do that again.
Good choice. That's great. Now, Katie's asked us to be the backing group, so we need to get ready to sing.
Oh, I'll just go and brush my teeth and get rid of this awful taste. Yeah.
Okay, see you later.